Hello everyone, this is Dr. Priya here and welcome to New Roots Hair Clinic. So today we have with us Mr. Kishore Kambala, who hails from Secunderabad, Telangana. He came to us for a redo surgery and hairline correction. He has already undergone hair transplantation 4 years back in his native place, somewhere outside. But he was not very happy with the results. So when we were taking his history, unfortunately he was not even counseled regarding how many grafts were implanted to him. The angle, the direction of the grafts that were placed were imperfect. There was, way too many gaps between two grafts, and it was an incomplete density. So this time we did not only correct his hairline, we have made sure that he gets a complete density, and we have implanted about 3000 grafts for him. So let's hear from him how was his experience like this time. हेलो सर, कैसे हैं आप?
अच्छे मैडम।
अच्छे, ओके। आप थोड़ा बताएंगे हमें आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? कल आपके कुछ डाउट्स थे, वो सब क्लियर हुए या नहीं, या कैसा रहा सब कुछ?
बहुत अच्छा था मैडम। एक्चुअली मैं इधर आने से पहले एक ऐसे रिव्यूज़ दे के आया था। मैं इधर आने के बाद कंसल्ट पूरा मेरे को अच्छा लगा था। मेरे को इंडिया सर को बता दिया था ऐसा है मेरे को। उससे पहले मैं और एक क्लिनिक को गया था, उसमें पूरे कैसा है बोले तो पूरा अनसेटिस्फैक्शन था मेरे को। आफ्टर रिजल्ट मेरे को पूरा फुलफिल करके दूंगा ऐसा पैकेज के जैसे लिया था। इतना ग्राफ बोल के नहीं बोले थे, एकदम पैकेज पूरा आपको क्या है पूरा सेट कर देते बोल के बोला था, जो यकीन करा उन लोगों को। मगर मेरे को अब अनसेटिस्फैक्शन हो।
ओके, सैटिस्फैक्टरी रिजल्ट नहीं आया।
जो बोला वो नहीं आया, रिजल्ट नहीं आया।
ओके। तो यहाँ पे जो आपके डाउट्स थे, जो आप प्रोसीजर से पहले पूछ रहे थे, सब आपको सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हो गए?
क्लियर हो गया। अच्छा था इधर।
Well, he's not the only one who has had such upsetting experience and has come to us for a redo surgery. We get many patients like that. There are so many reasons why there is failure of hair transplantation, like lack of appearance of a natural hairline due to wrong design, wrong placement of grafts in depth. The angle, the direction of the grafts is very important. And if one is lethargic in selecting soft hair for your temples or single hairs for your graft, it will not give you a nice appearance. Because if you do that, you'll have a very bushy and grassy appearance. See, when 4 years back, when they did hair implantation for him, how the angles here are so imperfect and the gaps between the two grafts are way too much. So it is very necessary that before the surgery that a doctor and the patient should sit together and explain about how we are going to go ahead. So today we have not started with the slitting process, so now I'll take you step by step with the whole procedure. The care of the patient during recovery time is very important. The patient should take care of himself also, and the doctor and the whole team should take proper follow-up of the patient regularly. Well, so it's not just one thing. It's a combination of all these things that will give you a very good result at the end. So here at New Roots Hair Clinic, we are determined to achieve the maximum results for all our patients. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
Thank you, New Roots.